Yummy. This turkey ham sandwich Petunia Pig just made for me tastes so delicious.
Look, it's Porky Pig, and he's eating a turkey ham sandwich. I'm going to spit in his food for the fun of it.
Yuck. My turkey sandwich. It's all wet. It's making me sick. You.
Ha 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 ha! That was so funny that I got Porky Pig sick by spitting at his food.
Hey, Dodo Bird. How the heck did you get into my... Nay, never mind. Dodo Bird. Did you spit in my food?
Food.
Spit it out.
Okay. Yes, I spit in your food, Porky.
Take it easy. Porky Pig. Stay cool. Tantrum is coming on. No, please, Dodo Bird, you have no rights to spit in my food on turkey ham sandwich is ruined because of you, moron.
Porky, are you all right?
I'm okay. Petunia. You are not going to believe on what just happened. Dodo Bird just spit in my food, made me sick, and then he made me throw a tantrum.
What? Oh my God. Why did you spit in someone's food? You know it's not nice to spit in Porky's food. That's it. Get out of our house right now while I'm calling Austine and his parents.
No.
Hello? Austine, Mr. and Miss Abelon? Yes. This is Petunia Pig speaking. Your dark doppelganger Dodo Bird was spitting in Porky's food. Ground him for that, please? All right. Thanks. Bye. Hang on, Porky. I will making the turkey ham sandwich.
Later, after Petunia threw away the old turkey ham sandwich and made a fresh and new turkey ham sandwich for Porky.
There you are, Porky. Your fresh and new turkey ham sandwich is here. I love you too, Porky. Enjoy.
Dodo Bird, are you out of your mind? What makes you think it's okay to spit in someone's food? You know that spitting in someone's food is gross, and it can ruin the food.
Your son is right, Dodo Bird. You don't ever spit in someone's food.
But
I'm sorry, Austine, Mom and Dad.
Don't apologize, Dodo Bird. Apologize to Porky for spitting in his food.
That's it, Dodo Bird. You are grounded until June.
Go to your room right now and think about what you have done to Porky's food.
What?